Hello guys, in this video I will tell you how to fix Myrogers app keep stopping problem. So please watch the full video. So let's get started. First of all, you should have to tap and long press on Myrogers app, then tap on app info option. After that, tap on storage usage option on the top, and now tap on clear cache as well as tap on clear data, and now OK. Now the cache and data has been cleared, so close this app and go to Play Store or App Store if you are using iOS or iPad. Then tap on search option in the bottom right corner, and now tap on search bar on the top and type Myrogers, and now search it. Here you will see the update button option, so simply tap on that button. So update this app to the latest version. So this will fix the issue for you. I hope this video will help you. Thanks.